Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the service updates notifications on the Manta application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the notifications section, and here you can find the series updates option, and just tap to the white circle, and new the series updates notifications is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.